now. And the race is on. Launlan Apu Bell from the outside by the Rallis Billionaria. Creation also rushing up. Billionaria Creation on the outside is Apu Bell. Launlan is running in the middle. Musashi is the man, and Len Len passing the half-mile post for runners fighting it out for the lead. Apu Bell is racing from the outside, and in between runners is Launlaan Creation. Billionaria is running down on the inside, and nearing the far turn, Apu Bell this time by a length and a half, followed by Launlaan in second, and racing in third is Creation by about 2 lengths. Billionaria, and he's the man. And nearing the last 500 meters more to run, Apu Bell this time by about 2 lengths. Launlaan is running in second, and racing on the outside is Billionaria. He's the man down on the inside. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run, Apu Bell by about 4 lengths. Billionaria is now running in second, and nearing the finish line, Apu Bell. And finally, Apu Bell, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat. Billionaria bagging the second spot. Then comes Creation. Launlaan is the man. Len Len.